those hungry mouths we have to feed. Take a look at all the suffering we breathe. So many lonely faces scattered all around, searching for what they need. Is this the world we created? What did we do it for? Is this the world we made against the law? So it seems in the end. Is this what we are living for today? The world that we created. You know that every day a helpless child is born, who needs some loving care inside a happy home. Somewhere a wealthy man is sitting on his throne, waiting for life to go by. Is this the world we created? We made it on our own. Is this the world we ever say?